The Glow Recipe Vault set for 2023 is available now. Now, the box is $248.40 and includes 8 glow giving best selling products from Glow Recipe. Now, if I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. So, co-founded by skincare specialist Sarah Lee and Christine Chang, who share over 20 years of experience in the global beauty industry. Glow Recipe is built from a passion and commitment to demystify the recipe to your healthiest skin. The brand pairs antioxidant-rich fruit with gentle yet powerful actives to create a skincare saviors for our complexion's ever-changing needs. Always longed for that toner and 3 lightweight moisturizer, or let's face it, almost the entire range. Tick off 8 lovable formulas with the best of Glow Wishlist, a legendary lineup starring full-size favorites. Like a grocery shop, but for your skin. Tick through some of skincare's creme de la creme with the best of Glow Wishlist, an 8-piece selection of full-size favorites that'll complete your routine from the first set of your face wash to the last dollop of the moisturizer, adding a splash of color to your bathroom cabinet and a generous dose of radiance replenishing power to your regime. Enjoy skin care powered 5 a day that is sure to keep the dullness away. With everything from fortifying avocado ceramide moisture barrier cleanser and the skin strobing watermelon glow niacinamide dew drops that's dominating you. For you page to the pore refining strawberry smooth BHA plus AHA salicylic serum, that's 30 milliliters. Brace yourself for an undeniable cheek to cheek glow. So what this kit will include is the avocado ceramide moisture barrier cleanser, 150 milliliters. The watermelon glow niacinamide dew drops, 40 milliliters. A strawberry smooth BHA plus AHA salicylic serum, 30 milliliters. A plump hyaluronic cream, 50 milliliters. A plump hyaluronic serum, 30 milliliters. An avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask, 15 milliliters. A watermelon glow PHA plus BHA pore tight toner, that's 150 milliliters. And a strawberry BHA pore smooth blur drops, that is 30 milliliters. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.